How to control length of the result of string.format bool_value in Python? What the equivalent way to str.format function for converting booleans into strings? Please note the space in true. This always makes the length the same for true and false. I've checked the methods in this post. How are booleans formatted in strings in Python? None of them can do the same thing.
I found that column5.format str_true works fine. The output is exactly the same as %5s%true, ea true. So the length of column5.format str bool_value is always 5, no matter bool_value is true or false. Of course you may change the length or the alignment direction as you want. E.g., column6.format str_true outputs true.
You can use type conversion flags to do what you wanted. Note the S. I used an underscore to show the padding more clearly. It also works with F strings. Relevant documentation. (6.1.3) Format string syntax. The conversion field causes a type coercion before formatting. Normally, the job of formatting a value is done by the _format_ method of the value itself. However, in some cases it is desirable to force a type to be formatted as a string, overriding its own definition of formatting. By converting the value to a string before calling _format_, the normal formatting logic is bypassed. 3 conversion flags are currently supported: !s which calls str on the value, !r which calls repr, and !a which calls ASCII. Some examples.
You can use the str function. More about it here. Here are some examples.
Not sure if I got idea correctly, but if some variable x results in true or false, you can write strx, if not a case. Sorry, just try explaining Q in more detailed way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.